So you're driving your Ford F-150 and you hear this weird clunk every time you hit a bump, like something is loose, just enough to annoy you, but not enough to make the truck fall apart. Welcome to ball joint noise, my friend. It doesn't sound catastrophic, more like a lazy knock, especially over potholes or rough city streets. It's easy to shrug it off at first. After all, your truck still works. But ignore it for too long and you'll be paying more than you bargained for later. Ball joint noise on an F-150 often shows up as a metallic clack or pop when turning or driving over uneven ground. Some people describe it as a dull thud, not exactly musical, just the sound of something begging for attention. The real pain point? Most people have no clue what's causing it. You try shaking the wheel by hand or bouncing the bumper, but nothing replicates that exact road sound in the driveway. Ball joint wear is sneaky like that. It hides until there's some real load. The big numbers are these. If left unchecked, a bad ball joint can lead to uneven tire wear, steering that feels like guiding a roller coaster, and in rare cases, total loss of that wheel. Think triple-digit tire bills, plus a ruined suspension. Step 1. Jack up the front of your truck, secure it with jack stands, and grab the wheel at the 12 and 6 o'clock positions. Now rock it in and out. If you feel noticeable play, that's a major clue. Zero play equals good news. For visual confirmation, shine a flashlight and watch the lower ball joint as you wiggle the wheel. Even a millimeter of visible movement means it's time to think about repairs. Pro tip, have a friend help so you can watch while they wiggle. Most Ford F-150s go 100,000 miles before their first ball joint replacement, but potholes, heavy loads, or big off-road tires can cut that to 50,000. So if you drive like a contractor or Portland weekend warrior, check sooner. Here's where most people get overwhelmed. The repair isn't always DIY friendly without heavy-duty tools. Pressing out the old ball joint sometimes feels like you're trying to arm wrestle a gorilla. Shops charge $400, $700 per side for parts and labor. If you're determined to fix it yourself, invest in a quality ball joint press kit and make sure you have a torque wrench for reassembly. Use OE spec parts. Skimping on these is like buying running shoes from a gas station. They won't last. After installation, always get a professional alignment. Otherwise, even brand new ball joints will cause your truck to wander and eat up new tires fast. Think of alignment like insurance for your suspension investment. It pays off in every mile. If you hear the noise, catch it fast. Waiting means more than just a clunk. It's steering that gets scary on the highway, or worst case, a front wheel that literally falls out. Nobody wants to reenact a horror movie on the morning commute.